Open the box and get out the aircraft, remote control, and spare parts. Put the battery into the remote control, then turn on the switch. Install the battery into the aircraft, then lock the battery button tightly. Put the aircraft with its camera facing front, the back side face to the remote control. Push up left control stick to upper left corner. Push down right control stick to lower right corner. Once the front and rear lights flashing rapidly, calibration is succeeded. Push down left control stick to the lower left corner. Push up right control stick to the upper right corner till all the lights flashing quickly. Hold the aircraft horizontal and rotate 360 degrees along the central axis for about 3 to 4 circles. Then hold the aircraft with its camera facing down and rotate 360 degrees along the central axis for about 3 to 4 circles till all the lights change from flashing quickly to flashing slowly. The calibration is successful. Put the aircraft on the horizontal surface to let it search GPS signal automatic. When all the lights turn solid on, it's successful. Scan and download the mobile app according with the instruction sheet. Connect with Wi-Fi, turn on app, and enter phone setting option. Push down both of the left and right control stick to outside direction to unlock, then push left control stick to effect the flight. The mobile app can complete all the functions freely and quickly. Press the button 1 key return or automatic return to bring the aircraft back to the takeoff point. During the return procedure, if the aircraft made obstacles or uneven surface, can use the remote control to guide front, back, left, right to bring the aircraft back to the takeoff point. Take out the battery from the aircraft after flight to preventing damage.